All right, let's see. This is belo-horizonte Java Enigma hard scenario. Let's see what we got here. There is a one-class Java application in your home admin directory. Running the program will print out a secret code, or you may be able to extract the secret from the class file without executing it. But I'm not providing any special tools for that. Put the secret code in the home, and they're giving us the MD5 hash code, which looks like this. Okay, so let's actually see. Do we have any Docker PS? No, this is more like a Java. Yeah, this is like Java. Um, could not find or load main. Wait, is there any other like hidden? No, I don't see any hidden files here. So, but how do you actually run a Java program? Is it like Java compiler, Java C sat, class name sat? I don't accept implementation process. Please request. I don't know what this means. Oh yeah, linkage error occurs. So it actually tried. It tried to execute it, but it's saying sat has been compiled by a more recent version of the Java runtime. This version recognizes class file versions up to 55. That's interesting. So apparently we have something. We have this little hook that we can use to unwind it and actually like go deeper and find a way to get the secret. So this is a, hold on, let me try this. This is a typical problem where we have to go deeper and deeper, right? This is a hard level problem. I honestly, obviously did not solve it myself. I had to look up all of the clues. And even after I looked at this, I was like, wow, this is so much work. Like, you have to know so much about Java, or you have to Google so much. So anyways, so there is a version conflict error, right? Apparently there is a unsupported class version error. So we need a different compiler, or so no, we need a different Java runtime to run this thing because it was compiled by a different compiler. So we can probably do like run type file a name Java. Yeah, so we found that there is class file version 61. This version only recognize class version up to 55. So we need to use, I think we need to use earlier version, right? So we need to relink the Java in the path with the Java version 17, I think. Yeah, it was compiled by a more recent version. So we need to use a earlier version, right? Yeah, Java version 17. So it is in the app armor alternatives Java. So we want to remove the alternatives Java, and we want to create a symbolic link to user lib user lib JVM Java. I think it's 17. Yeah, this whole thing. Yeah. It's bin and finally Java. Yeah. Or we can actually just, we can always just continue running like this. Very sad. Well, wait, we're one level deeper, right? So we managed to run it, but now it's saying it's basically saying wrong name sad. It's very sad. So when it was compiled, I suspect when it was compiled, it was the actual class name was very sad. So we want to actually rename it as very sad. Yeah, let's actually give it a try. But this time we actually want to like call it very sad. Exception Java heap space, Java line out of memory. So now we get a different error. It's Java heap space. We have to adjust or change the Java heap space. So we need to assign a bigger file size. Let's actually, I think it's okay to use ChatGPT instead of Googling, right? So I get this error. This is how I do it. How to increase Java heap space. You need to pass the appropriate command line options to the Java virtual machine when you start your application. XMS are used to set the initial and maximum heap size. XMS. Okay. If you're using an Eclipse. Okay, let's give it what? Let's actually give it like 1 gigabyte. I think we can give it like 1 gigabyte. Right? Maximum and minimum size, let's give it just standard 1 gigabyte. What is it saying? Was it minus XSM? Yeah. Yeah. So we're going one level deeper. It managed to actually run the, it actually managed to get through the heap space problem, right? So we resolved the heap space problem, but we're still running out of memory. Native memory allocation and map failed to map 7, well, this is like 71 gigabyte or what, 7 gigabytes. Yeah, this is like 7 gigabytes for committing reserved memory. And now it's saying an error report file with more information is saved at. And we have, so we have to do what? And here, this is where I basically got stuck. Actually, let's see if ChatGPT can help us. The error message indicates that G is unable to allocate the specified amount of memory. So we want to check available memory. Adjust heap size. I've done this. Check system limits. Check system swap. And we want to ensure that your system has sufficient swap space configured. Okay, free H. Yeah, this is memory and swap with, yeah, swap is actually 0 bytes. So we probably will have to go down this path. Swap, right? We have to do, we'll have to increase or create the swap size, whatever that is, to be honest. I'm not really good at Java. I only studied this when I was just starting out in software engineering back in 2009. And honestly, Java is a bad choice for the first language, to be honest. You limit a real-time non-blocking. What the hell is all this size? Data segment, unlimited. Scheduling file, max memory, unlimited. POSIX message queue, there, we don't need this. Stack size, CPU, virtual memory, yeah. Apparently, these are different like memory limits, like how many open files you can have, how many pipe size, POSIX message, yeah. To increase your limit, you can add the following up. This swap on show. Let's see swap on show. Nothing here. If swap space insufficient, consider increasing, for example, to create a 1 GB swap. Yeah, sudo f allocate minus dash l 1 GB swap file. Sudo make swap file. We can check. So we can. Okay, let's actually do this thing, right? So what is it saying? Sudo f allocate. I honestly never have done this before, so dash l. And then want to, sorry. Make swap. Oh, I forgot. Forgot to add swap file. Setting up swap space version size, okay. Then what? Sudo swap on. Yeah, so now before that it showed nothing, so there was no swap file. Now we have like swap file of 1 GB. Let's see. Yeah, we have this. Comparing to this, comparing to what we had before, now we have what we have some swap files. So let's actually run this whole thing again with X messages, and we got, I think we got the secret YXYDGA, and we probably want to copy it, and yeah, we want to do echo code to the solution. Okay, yeah. Home admin solution, and let's actually verify. Returns 9D2B blah 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 6643C. Yeah, 9D2B 6643C. Yeah, I think this one is correct. Yeah, I think we got it. Awesome. See how many things we have to, yeah, 16 minutes. See how many little things we have to overcome, like so many things. This is a really great example, right? First, you're trying to run Java sad. Then you find out that it's actually wrong Java version. After that, you find that when the class was compiled, it was named very sad. Like in your, let's say in your Java, whenever you have like Java, like your file.java, right here, it actually has this code and it's named like class very sad. It was named class very sad and it was compiled like that, but it was named back to just sad. So now you have to call it properly Java very sad. And then you have the heap problem. Heap is not enough. And after that, you have to create additional file. And only then you run with proper configurations, you run a very sad file with proper heap space size, which gives you a secret. Awesome. This is really awesome problem.